Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com, Monday, 26 February, and I hope you had a nice weekend. We're sponsored by Keystone Technologies, light made easy since 1945. Here are the stories making news. Wesco International has agreed to sell its Wesco integrated supply business to Valen Distribution for $350 million. The sale aims to reduce debt and repurchase shares, focusing on high growth areas. Details at edisonreport.com. The 2024 Illumination Awards final submission deadline is 29 February. It's open to everyone except manufacturers, IES staff, and board members. Submissions require completed projects from 1 January 2022 onwards. Each entry should include a project narrative, up to 10 images, and one optional 1-minute video. Details at designinglighting.com. The 2024 IES NYC Student Lighting Competition themed Proximal Light will be held on 19 March at the New York Hilton Midtown. Of course, that's during education. Over 80 light art installations by New York City students will explore how light fosters closeness and intimacy. Award ceremony at 5:30 p.m. 3D printed luminaires, once seen as novelties, are now hitting the mainstream, with big names like McDonald's and Marks & Spencer adopting them. These luminaires blend technology and design, offering intricate shapes and sustainability. Read the full story from editor Ray Maloney on designinglightingglobal.com. And Acuity Brands is seeking a factory direct sales representative. Responsibilities include driving sales, nurturing customer relationships, and collaborating on multi-territory projects. Full job description and application information at edisonreport.com. And on Friday, the Dow was up 62, but the NASDAQ dropped 45 points. Energy Focus was down 8%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great week. Pray for peace.